Hello everyone, this is Arlene Mendez, and now I'm back with the second bouquet of flowers that we're going to do. This is the first one that we did and it seems awesome, so we'll continue doing it. After this sunflower that we're going to do, I have the third one, so enjoy watching with me. Okay, what we need here is just an empty box. I got like a pestle and mortar, so instead of throwing the box, I'm going to use it as a base for our flower. And also a bottle, like I removed the tag in it, so I just, or the brand, so I'm just gonna use it as a base inside, so at least it can hold the sunflower that we're going to do. And then we have this ribbon to make our vase more natural looking, plus of course another set of ribbon, and the leaf or the leaves that I put some string in it, I just glue it, and this is the one that has no string, so we're just gonna use this, some of this. And by the way, instead of using different colors this time to put this around our box, we're just using one color because we have different colors here already that will complement this material. And let's start. Oh, I also have here the vine that we're going to put around the sunflower. So let's start with the ribbons. So what we have to do is just put this around and then glue it. So let's just glue this ribbon, so at least it's nice looking. Just to cover the box, because right now there's the box is still showing all the letters or the words in it, and once this is covered, nobody will even think that this is just one of the boxes that where my material or cooking material was put in when I got it from the store. Okay, so that's the vase, and then let's go on the top. We do the same process, we just have to glue it. So we'll put some glue in here. I like doing DIY, so I'm gonna be showing you more of what I do, and it's just a matter of being artistic or just imagining what you can do with something that's we usually throw out anyway. Oops, let's just redo this one here. Apparently it needs more glue. There you go. We're just covering the box right now. So let's do it like this. Let's do the other side now. So let's put more glue. Should be good. So once you do the top and the bottom, now you can also put on the sides, so at least it covers the side of the box. So we do the same thing. We're going to glue it. It's going to be very pretty once this is done. So we just do it like this. Like this now. Let's put here too. So we have glued the first part with the next one. Okay, let's do the second part of this, or second side. Everything will be covered with leaves anyway, so let's just keep going. There. Just be careful when using the glue gun because it's hot, so you don't want to burn yourself when doing that. And let's do the third one. Okay, let's just put our glue because this is also from Dollarama. Even my glue gun is from Dollarama. So it doesn't really have to be expensive when doing DIYs. You just have to know which material you can use. Or even if you're deciding to throw something and that's gonna end up in the garbage, just think about like what can you do about it. Because usually if you are just trying to throw stuff, sometimes you don't realize you can still use it for something that's gonna be beautiful, or that can be also of use. Okay, so this is the third one. This is done. So now let's just do the last one. So the purpose of this is just to cover like the words and the picture. So let's just do it from the inside now. Don't worry about the inside because once it's covered with flowers, it's not gonna look bad. So right now it's half done. We're not even close yet. Okay. So at least 1/4 of the box is covered. So what we're going to do with this, we are also going to glue it, so at least when it's inside the box it doesn't like go from one side to another. So let's just glue this and then stick it there, so at least it's in the middle. So let's just put it there for a bit. And now what we can do, we're going to use the leaves to cover all the sides. So I'll just kind of show you one side and then I will do the rest. And of course, once it's done, I will also display it like here because we're going to use or to do the next one. So let's just do this side because this is our front. So as I mentioned, I'm just doing like one color right now. This is getting pretty. And our glue is also almost done, so I'm going to put another one. There you go. Really nice. Okay, so here's the side. That's I'm going to do the 3 sides here, but this is how it will look like. So now we are going to put the sunflower. So you just have to fold this because this is long. You can also do something else with the sunflower once you know the season is done. You can either keep it or do something or give it to a friend or somebody who wants it, so as a gift too. So you just do it like this. See, I folded it and just put it there. So let's just do it like that right now. That it's leaning forward, and make sure too that you know, the heights of the flowers are different, because like the center has to be at least taller than the other two sides. So this has to be a bit like, let's just put this inside. So it can be like this. And then let's do the third one. So this is the third one now. Oops. So we are going to put this here. I just fold this again. And here's the third one. So let's put that inside the jar. There you go. So now once this is inside the bottle or the jar, you can just do some other decorations with it. So we can also like here, the vine, we can put it around. Actually, before we put this, I have here the tray. What I usually do with the tray, I just cut this into 4 to just hold it inside. Instead of just throwing this, you can just cut this into 4, and then, or you can also use any kind of paper that you can put inside the box, so to hold the flower, and it's more natural. Like, so you just put it like that. And there you go. And then here's another one here. So there, now it's holding the flower inside and also the bottle. So once that is done, nobody will even think that that's just one of the, you know, Tim Hortons stuff that we use inside. So we are going to put the vine now. This is the vine I'm talking about. So we'll just put this around. Instead of cutting it, let's just put it like this. Make it prettier. Just keep turning it around. And then you can start displaying this once it's done. So just keep putting it like that. And there you go. You have a really nice bouquet of flowers there. And what you can do too, you can still put or add some of the flowers, or sorry, the leaves that we have here. So you can still stick it there. And let's just put it here to make it a bit prettier. And then there's more here. So it's so simple, and yet it looks elegant. You don't have to, you know, spend so much money in making flower decorations like flower bouquets or anything. You can do it yourself. You just have to have an idea, or, you know, like the colors are very simple. Just go like outside or browse some pictures if you're not from Canada or not North America, and you can have a really nice bouquet of flower here. So I'll show you the third one that I'm going to do today, and this is actually my first DIY, like a video of DIY. So hopefully I will see you soon. Okay, thanks for watching.